fresh in here.
I got the heat on, I got defrost on.
Could be the holes in the floorboard.
It died.
Huh?
Died on me.
It just died?
Here.
Just cutting off?
Yeah, it just cut off.
Oh. Bad word. He said it doesn't look like it's getting fuel. I'll just wait right here.
It's all over me.
I hope you're not flammable. Was it out of gas?
I don't know.
Is that a kerosene can?
Yeah, for diesel.
Good thing I like the way gas smells. And I like you.
Sometimes. Come on, baby, just let's start for daddy.
Talking to me or the truck? No. Are we pushing this off to the side of the road?
I don't think there's no pushing to it, babe.
I was kidding. Hope your brakes work. Oh.
Nothing?
Yeah, shooting through it.
Is it?
Yeah, shooting into it, yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, the keys are in it. Oops. Just did a 3-point turn in my backyard. Sure, that'll look nice. We're gonna try this again. Okay. I got a ride home and got the truck that does run and has really good brakes. That I don't drive very well. And I'm going back to pick up my other half. And I don't know what we're doing from there. One thing at a time. Oh, are we pulling it home? Oh. That's not what I thought we were doing. Oh! I didn't know we were pulling it home. Okay.
You got to pull up that way. 'Cause that's the way you got to go out. I cannot make this turn. You gotta
Am
go
I
out that
pulling
way.
you home?
Yes.
Oh. It's
So you need
just
to back up to there.
turned into exciting things that I hadn't planned for today.
Probably got to put it in four-wheel drive to get out of here. You need to go that way, but go wide and go back. You hear me?
I hear you. Do not want to do this. Shut up, windshield wipers. Okay. Okay. How wide? Here we go. Why does he yell? You said wide.
Pay attention to what you're doing.
I am paying attention. You said wide. Ooh, sorry. Give me a speed. This good? Well, I just tried to go faster and you yelled. Is this fast enough? I don't like you. I don't want to go downhill. Oh, I feel sick. I don't feel good. And we gotta go uphill. I'm sweating. We're literally in the hilliest part of the county. Ooh, stop sign. I don't know if that's good or bad. Stop! Oh, why let you get me into these things? Probably gonna take out the stop sign in the middle of this intersection here in just a minute. Why did we have to get so far away from home? Hopefully next time it'll break down 1 mile from home instead of 10. More hills. Imagine that. Hey, moo cows. Sorry. I don't like the hills. And this is a big one. This is why I have wrinkles. Oh. Almost there. Can I turn now? But do I have to do that turning big thing? Sorry. I didn't volunteer to do it. Now we have to turn in the driveway. Is this good? It didn't say one way or the other. Ooh. Where to? Where am I going? Go down the hill? Okay. Why do we have to go down the hill?
Might not get it. Didn't do too bad.
Thanks. I think.
Let's get in there and move it over in just a minute.
What the heck, man? What's up with that?
I just like it.
It just started right up.